In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix scaling issues on your Wix site. Let's dive in and make sure your site looks exactly as you'd like it to across all devices. First, we'll need to open the Wix site editor, and for the best experience, it's recommended that we do this using Google Chrome. This browser is widely compatible and should give us the tools we need to tackle any scaling issues that may crop up. Once you've navigated to your Wix editor, let's identify the specific page or section where you've noticed your scaling concerns. Pinpointing the exact location of the issue is vital, as this will help us focus our efforts where they're most needed. Next, we're going to take a look at the page settings related to the width of your site. Ensuring that your page width is set to 100% can resolve many common scalability problems, as it allows your site to automatically adjust to fit any screen size. This is particularly important for delivering a seamless experience to visitors using different devices. Head into your page settings and confirm that this width setting is indeed set to 100%. This small but crucial detail is often overlooked and can be the key to resolving your problem instantly. If the width settings are correct but you're still encountering problems, let's address another common culprit: browser zoom settings. Sometimes your browser zoom level might be unintentionally altered, leading to distortions or misrepresentations of how your site appears. To quickly reset your browser zoom to its default setting, press Ctrl+0 or Command+0 if you're using a Mac. This will ensure that we're viewing the site at its intended scale without any unintended magnification or reduction that could affect our perception of site layout and content. Once we have verified and adjusted both these settings, it's time for a vital step: previewing your site. Doing a live preview helps us evaluate any changes in real time and see how your site will appear to visitors. If everything seems to be looking correct and scales smoothly with no remaining issues, you can confidently move forward. Finally, to save these adjustments and ensure your audience benefits from these fixes, you'll want to publish your changes. This ensures everything you've adjusted in the site editor is translated to the live version of your website. It's always a good practice to give your newly updated site one last look after publishing to confirm that everything's aligned with your expectations. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any scaling issues on your Wix site effectively. Remember, maintaining a user-friendly and responsive design not only enhances visitor experience, but ultimately contributes to the success of your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.